In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a dream catcher specially adapted for preschoolers. This one was made by my daughter who is 4. But hi, my name is Rebecca Raitt from Empowered Avenue, empowering eclectic education one avenue at a time. On this channel, I do weekly videos on eclectic education topics, so please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. This project, you'll need a paper plate, some wool, some feathers, some scissors, a hole punch, and an assortment of beads with a wide hole. The first thing you need to do is cut out the center of your plate. So I just cut around the line that was already on the paper plate, and I cut all the way around. An older child will probably be able to do it themselves. Once you have that, you get your hole punch and you make holes about 1 to 2 centimeters all the way around your plate. Most of the children were able to do this themselves or with a little bit of help. These little hole punches I found at a dollar store were fantastic to use for this. I'll post some affiliate links in the description below for this and all the other materials used for this project. Then grab your wool and cut off a long piece, as long as you can, and tie off one end on any part of the plate. This will be your base. Then find the end and feed it through the opposite side of the plate, and this will be the beginning of your dream catcher web. Continue with this all the way around your plate, going to the opposite sides and then back again until you have fully completed your plate. Most of the preschool children were able to do this themselves or with a little bit of help. We did this project as part of our Around the World course. This course was an 8-week course where we explored a different continent each week, incorporating Montessori-inspired geography lessons and habitats, which introduced some basic science, as well as some lessons on different cultures and some basics in different languages. If you're interested in hearing more about these eclectic topics, please make sure you've subscribed and hit the notification bell. This video is also part of a playlist, so make sure you check that out in the description below. I've tied a loop at the top so that the dream catcher can be hung, and that is our basic web. Now for the tails, grab a little bit more wool and cut about 30 centimeters off. Grab a feather and tie it to one end. I did a double knot here for security. Then you can feed your beads onto the end of that wool. This was a great fine motor skill activity for our preschool children, and it could be extended with the introduction of a darning needle to feed on some smaller beads. Now I'm attaching that tail to the bottom of the dream catcher and tying it off. And that's one done. Now repeat the process another 2 times so that you end up with 3 tails on the bottom of your dream catcher, and you can adjust the length so that it looks a bit stylish. After the kids were finished with their beading and the tails were all tied on, they enjoyed colouring in the outside and putting their own finishing touches on their designs. And this is our completed preschool version of a dream catcher, no weaving required. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Type dream catcher in the comments below if you're going to try this activity at home. Stay inspired.